Naghahanapan nila with Bob Santa Maria.
Partner, first quarter pa lang pala to. Ang sakit na ng lalamunan ko. And yun na, a substitution on the part of Iriga City. Si Raton Orada gives, yun na, inuwa strip.
Sabi ni Orada, nakatapik ako. Tinamaan ang kamay ko.
Yes, partner.
Pero walang naitawag po na foul ang mga referees dahil alam nila kung ano ang tama.
Ayan na, si AJ Perea gives the ball to Dagi Ulea. Dagi insert his way with the right-handed layup and scores!
And Iriga is now leading this ball game.
Yes.
3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter.
Iriga is up by 2 with Bob Santa Maria trying to answer the score, but there is Keith Aguvida, and he was fouled in the act of shooting and will trip to the line for a charity free throws.
This is the very first time na makikita natin na mag-free throw itong si Keith Aguvida, ang tinatawag nilang
The flight.
Keith
Keith Aguvida is a former standout of Arellano University who played in the NCAAs. And yun na nga, partner, he is in the free throw line.
At yun, talagang pinapakita ang kanyang pagka-veterano. Composed na composed, taking the free throws.
Yes,
yun.
tama ka dyan, partner. Yun na nga, yung Torotot, but yun na nga, silencing the crowd is Keith Aguvida with those 2 free throws. Ayan na, substitution. Ayan na si Jock Bellarmino inserted, and si Himan pinasok na sa loob.
For Kamaligan naman.
Ayan na si Orada against Ignacio. What a defense by Samuel Ignacio, partner. Partner, yumayinig sa ating mga fans at dito rin bakbakan sa ilalim ni Ignacio at ni Orada, talagang nagbabanggaan sila sa ilalim.
You can really feel the intensity of this ball game as early as now.
Yes,
Pero,
ayan na si Babap is ahead. Babap is ahead. Drops it up to Keith Aguvida, but misses the shot. Ayan na si AJ Perea. All alone is the Orada for 2.
that's the beast! Jason Orada with those 2-pointer. Good finish on the part of Iriga.
Yes, partner, that is a sorry miss on the part of Keith Aguvida. After that miss, talagang tumakbo ka agad. Nakita ni AJ Perea yung advantage na nandun na si Jason Orada sa unahan. Kaya inabante niya kagad ang bola for an easy layup.
Good defense on the part of Iriga.
Yes, partner, talaga. Partner, this is just the first quarter and goosebumps kagad meron tayo dito. Ito ang hatid sa atin ng Ako Bicol Cup. Siyempre, hatid sa atin ng Ako Bicol Party List and si Congressman Saldico. And what more can you ask, partner? There's a big size crowd here at Iriga Sports Complex para tunghayan ang labanang Iriga City versus Kamaligan.
Ayan, tama ka dyan, partner. Pero mukhang we will be having Barbie Floriana in just a few minutes from now. Abangan natin kung ano ang dala ng ating courtside reporter. Pero balik na muna tayo sa ating ball game. We heard the buzzer, and right now, magbabalik ang dalawang koponan sa hard court.
Yes, partner, a good start on the part of Kamaligan talaga with those runs. And siyempre, nung later part ng ating laro, talagang bumawi at kumamada na yung mga shooters na like si Dagi Ulea. Has 5 straight points. And siyempre, yun na nga si Marquez who spearheaded the scoring parade on the Iriga side.
That what impresses me much. Itong si Marquez dahil talagang siya yung pumuntos siguro around mga 15 points kaagad.
Now, 10 straight points. 10 straight points.
10 straight
On
points.
the part of Marquez. Yan si Aguvida, one-on-one against Jason Orada. Aguvida, squeeze in. But he misses the shot. A sorry miss on the part of
Good shot pero malamya at hindi nakapasok. And right now, ito na, kasama na natin si Miss Barbie Floriano. Ano ba ang meron ka dyan, Barbie?
Magandang gabi muli mga kasurog. To give us some clarification sa mga possible scenario na mangyayari sa resulta ng game na ito, we have here Coach Paulo Biñas, one of the members of Technical Committee. So do you have any question po, panel?
Tamang-tama. Maraming salamat, Miss Barbie Floriano, na binitbit mo itong ating kaibigan na si Mr. Paulo Biñas. Coach, salamat at nandito ka dahil meron kaming mga katanungan. Although nangyayari po ngayon ang gitgitang laban ng Kamaligan at ng Iriga, pero yung previous game, Coach, ng San Fernando at ng Goa, how would it go ng home team na Iriga? If not, anong mangyayari, Coach?
If matalo ang Iriga, Goa will advance to the semifinals kasi meron silang 3 wins and 1 loss sa standings. Yung
Oo.
Iriga magiging 2 wins and 2 loss. So ang papasok is Kamaligan and
Goa.
Goa.
Oo, pero kung maipanalo naman ito ng Iriga, mga ilang puntos ba dapat ang mailamang ng Iriga kontra dito sa Kamaligan?
Basta manalo lang sila by 2 points, okay na yon. Kasi malaki yung lamang